Welcome to Spanish Mnemonics. In this video, we are going to be looking at regular ER verb endings for talking about yourself in the future.
Comer.
To know how to say, I will eat, you must remember that in the future there's only plus points.
So no cutting or chopping off ER. You will only add to the verb in the future.
So what do you add to the verb?
An acute E, which is pronounced A.
Comeré. Yo comeré.
To help you remember this, say to yourself, in the future, I will be a cutie.
Comeré. Yo comeré. Beber.
I will drink. But I must remember in the future, there are only plus points.
So no cutting, only adding.
Adding on an acute E, which is pronounced A, because in the future I will be a cutie, A?
Beberé. Yo beberé. Sorprender.
In the future, there are only plus points.
So no cutting, only adding.
Adding on an acute E, which is pronounced A.
Sorprenderé. Yo sorprenderé.
Because in the future I will be a cutie, A?
Sorprenderé.
That's it for now. Come back for more ER verbs soon. Do subscribe to my channel and hit a like if you've enjoyed this video.